friends, welcome to Mimi's Mixed Bag. Thank you for stopping by. If this is your first visit to my channel, I encourage you to check out the playlist. I've got hundreds and hundreds of craft projects and home decor ideas, and surely you'll find something you like. This week I'm slowly transitioning from spring decor to summer decor, and I'm focusing on my family room fireplace. I've had some cute rabbits and pastel colors for the last 3 months, and now it's time to break out the Patriotic and the red, white, and blue. So I'm going to show you what I've had up there, and then I'm going to show you a couple things I've bought, a couple things I've made to get my mantle ready for the summer. All right, I'm gonna move it a little closer so you can see my spring mantle for this year. I really did enjoy it, and that's the reason why I wasn't in a big hurry to change it. I did have some eggs scattered around on the greenery during Easter time, but I took those off. But this big center focal piece right here, the laser welcome cutout was from Amazon that came with some greenery, and I just hot glued it on a piece of round scrap wood I had, and I just really love it because it's generic and I can stick that up there any time of the year and it will work. And the little green window panes, I thrifted those a few years ago. And these ceramic rabbits I've always loved, and I've wrapped them up and took such good care of them because I bought them from Pier 1 and paid a pretty penny for them. So evidently Dollar General has acquired Pier 1 merchandise because they are at Dollar General this year. I was really surprised when I saw some people hauling them from Dollar General, but nonetheless they're still beautiful rabbits. Candlestick things from Target. I got some alien tape holding these little Dollar Tree cylinder vases, and the pastel bouquets at the top are from Amazon. I just loved this decor this year, but I'm gonna take it all down, dust up my mantle, and I'll be ready to start over. All right, friends, I'm gonna move in a little closer and show you my summer patriotic mantle. Just love how it turned out. I'm gonna show you what things I bought, what things I made, and some things that I already had that I used to create this look. The only thing that it was actually purchased as Patriotic Decor was this little pom-pom tassel banner. This came from Target last year in the dollar spot, and they a lot of times will have repeat stuff at each season, so you might want to check that out. For $3 you can't make this pom-pom tassel banner. But I will have a link below of a really cute patriotic banner I made a couple years ago using a red t-shirt. So check that below if you need a banner. The star of the show is the top of the mantle up here is this paper cone wreath. I made this for nearly nothing. 4 sheets of blue and white and red paper and cardboard and a stapler. And within an hour, I had this beautiful patriotic wreath. Like I said, I'll put the link below so that you can see where I got it and the supplies you need. And I want to drive traffic to her blog. So that's the reason why I didn't really show you how to do it. Now over here is the same candlesticks I had for spring. I just used the same wood candlesticks. Dollar Tree has some cute ones that you can spray paint or paint. This is that same glass cylinder vase. I took some copy paper and a ruler and drew stripes and painted the stripes red with apple barrel craft paint and taped the paper on the cylinder. And then just filled it full of a couple Walmart picks. These blue flowers right here, they look like hydrangeas. They were 50 cents each at Walmart this week. So for $2, I got 4 picks. And I just had some little blue trim that I tied around the bottom, but it would look even better with some thicker ribbon. Now, some of this other stuff you see, these white balls and the red balls, and even these little red vases, those are all Christmas decorations. Even the stuff in the little vase is all Christmas picks. And over here on this side, I pretty much just duplicated what I had on the right side and just a little pop of color of blue up at the top. But all that stuff in there, sparkle pipe cleaners, you could spray paint some sticks in your yard, any kind of red glitter, anything sparkly like that will work. And in the center, I have just some wood garland from Christmas and stuck a couple white votives in the center to kind of help fill it in. It does not have to be actual patriotic decor. Just having things red, white, and blue lends itself, and it works. So you don't have to go out to Hobby Lobby and spend a fortune. So I hope you enjoyed this little budget-friendly mantle, and you'll dig through your Valentine's and Christmas decor and see what you can come up with. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. Until next week, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.